In today's video, I'll teach you how to get a refund on SHEIN. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Now what you have to do is simply click on the search bar and type in shein.com, press enter, or instead of that you can also open the SHEIN application if you want. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of SHEIN. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to get a refund, it is actually very simple. What you have to do is simply go to the orders interface. For that, hover over the account icon that you can see right over here on your screen. You'll be able to find the options like my profile, my orders, my message, etc. Click on this option, my orders, that you can see at second. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the orders interface of SHEIN. You'll be able to see all of the orders over here. So what you have to do is simply find the order that you would like to return. Right now I do not have any order, but I'll tell you what to do. So after you find the order that you would like to return, what you have to do is simply click on the option return item that you'll be able to see on your screen. After you do that, choose the items that you would like to return. After that, you'll also have to select the reason. Click on the option next step. In the next step, you'll have to choose the refund method. Select a refund method like happy returns for QR code drop off or self-sending. Also choose your preferred refund method. The method could be wallet or original payment. After you do that, submit the request. After the request is submitted, what you have to do is pack the items in their original conditions with tags. Also use the original bag if possible. Now what you have to do is ship it. Follow the instructions for your chosen method. After you do that, you'll be able to ship and return the item and the refund will be processed automatically. Also keep in mind the returns usually are accepted within 30 days of receipt only. Further, the items must be unused, unwashed with tags attached and in original packaging if possible. If these requirements are met, you'll be able to return the item and your refund will be processed and you'll receive the refund amount according to your preferred refund method. So that is how you get a refund on SHEIN. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.